Friends, buddies, pals, how you doing? Welcome back to another video. Now look who it is. You may not have seen this guy before, but you should have. This is my buddy Hans. He's a bit like me. He's basically a fish bum, loves to fish, and we haven't caught up and fished for ages. So end of the trip, bonus fishing day. Actually supposed to be a down day, but we just thought, screw it, we're gonna go for a fish anyway and have a look around. So we've done a bit of a drive, done a bit of a walk, and we found a fish. Hans saw it, so he's up. He's gonna show us how it's done. Go get it, son. Oh yeah. No, you go, mate. That's good, mate. First spot's yours. You go for it. Bird over there. Go for it, you old mate. That's nice. Yep. Nice. Good job, buddy. Nice fishing. Nice fish. That is a nice fish. Yeah, bigger than I first thought. That's what she said. Nice job, brother! On the board. All right, Hansy got it done. Nice work, brother. He's actually just running back to the truck to get his rain jacket because it's starting to rain. The forecast is right. Really cool. So I think the secret is just 5x small flies and making like those first 1 or 2 casts count. Seems like if we put more than 2 casts over a fish, they just shut down. They're onto us. So got to be good. Got to be good. All right, I'm gonna have something to eat, have a drink, wait for Hans to get back, and then we'll crack on. Despite the bad weather conditions, the visibility is great and the river's nice and clear and low, so you know, potentially could be a really good day. Loving this new jacket from Orbis. Yeah, my old one I really did just hammer into the ground and it died, so it's been retired and this is a replacement. I've got a couple of nice jackets now. I'm really happy with them. Quality gear, nice and lightweight, and just, yeah, it's just good gear. They just make good gear.
Again.
Yeah. Too late. Damn it. So I can't see him.
Put it half a meter ahead of him. Yeah. He's gone over like a rocket. Maybe slightly left. Good.
Go on. Yo, M's Power Cookers, people. These are the bomb. Gone. Wow. That's super spooky. Well, what's good? You might see that. Coming over, coming over, coming over. Nice. Oh, chasing, chasing. Was he on? Come on. What happened there? You wanted that. Hey Hans, caught that tree.
Camera is off.
Yeah, no, oh yeah, that's right, yeah.
That's when it happens.
I was just changing over because I have a go, and then, yeah, that fish ate a size 12 brown thing and ignored a size 16 soft tackle, which is ridiculous after how spooky these fish have been. So maybe bigger is better. I don't know.
That's what she said.
Oh, good one. That is what she said.
First thoughts of beer kick in.
Come back. Oh. It's better. Oh, it was him. Fuck! Yep. Oh! Got him! Dude! About time! It's a jumpy one, eh? Nice one, bro. Thanks, man.
Well,
got it done. We fucking got it done.
you go. Here you go. Sit up. Sit up. Yeah?
Yes. Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. I see him. Yep, yep, I see him. Yeah! Dude! That was cool. He ate that off the rock. Oh, get off those rocks. Yeah, buddy! Okay, quick catch up. So we've had a real tough day, to be honest. Well, Hans has been steadily picking up a few here and there. I have had some less luck going on, but things are starting to come together towards the end of the day now. So I might get a video out of this after all. Might not be much B-roll, but I'm just going to fish to a fish right now. Ooh! Oh. Came across a long way, looked, maybe 8, don't know. Another go, another cast. Yep. Oh no, that was just unlucky, man. Ate it. Nom nom nom. Fish came across, straightened up, lifted, and just fly came out the mouth. It was just unlucky. That was unlucky. Yeah, might be one in the top there for you though, bro. That last fish down there was spectacular. Absolutely cool, and a really cool way to catch it. She was moving up through the rapids and we were tracking her, and I got in front. And then literally, as she kind of came up and was at my feet, I just basically lowered my fly in and let it sink down and sit on a rock. And I watched her come over and then just turn over and eat the fly off the rock. And then it was just on. It was brilliant. Really, really cool. Stoked. Yep. Nice. Nice, bro. Good job. Pay attention. Beautiful, man. Hey? Don't know where that went. Oh, got him. Nice, bro. Good call. Good call. I didn't see that. I saw him kind of gesture over, but yeah, good stuff, man. Beautiful. Thanks, man. I got it. Oh yeah. Cool old boy. Cool old boy. Oh. Come on, buddy. How's it go? Beautiful. The fish was just kind of cruising, dropped down below me, popped the nymph in, got the right cast, and then yeah, couldn't really see from where I was, but Hans saw it real well, saw his mouth go, caught it, and that was very sweet. So yeah, turning into a really good day. We might even get another one. One more would be sweet. You know, just one of those days where you just stick at it. Sometimes it comes together. Nope. Yep. Ho, 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 ho. That was a coolie. I wasn't expecting him to do that. There we go, there we go, there we go. Nice. Come on, buddy. Come on, buddy. Can't see. Almost. Yeah. Oh, that's a good fish. Yeah. You some gunky shit on you. Alright, that was a beautiful fish, really cool. And then look at that, that's very cool water to catch a fish like that out of. That first cast wasn't a very good one. It was quite a long way to his left, maybe like, was that like a meter and a half to his left? Yep. It wasn't a very good cast, and he just shot across, saw the mouth go, lifted, and it was all on. That's awesome. That's awesome. What a way to end the trip. That's great. We put the work in for it, eh? We earned them today, that's for sure. You've got the guy on the inside here, you can see him pretty well. Down here, light coloured fish. He's facing a funny angle. He's kind of on a weird... Beautiful. Whoa, he must have seen that. Oh, here we go. Yep. Nice, bro. Good fish. Well done. Well done. That's a great fish. Great fish, man. Great fish. Good fishing. Cool to watch. Nice work. Let me just give that net a bit of a wash. It's minging. That was cool. That was really cool. Just saw the fly, popped over there, saw his mouth go. Boom. Good job. Good fishing. Good day. And that was the last fishing day of the trip for me. I did do some other stuff that I didn't get to make videos of just because I just couldn't make it work with the sound quality, but I'll do something with that footage anyway, so it's all good. It was a really cool way to end the trip. I had a great time. Hans is one of the best fishermen I know and probably the best guide you've never heard of. So if you ever get a chance to fish with Hans, highly recommend it. You'll learn a ton. It's always good to fish with people better than you when you can, because I feel like it ups your game. You'll learn more. You'll just become a better angler by doing so. We really struggled through that morning and then just had to dig our heels in, keep pushing, keep fishing, and eventually it really came together in a pretty spectacular way. It was a really cool day, and I look forward to doing that again. That was another great South Island series. I just love it down there. It's such a great fishery. It's so challenging, and you've got to be so much better to consistently catch fish down there, and I really enjoy that about the place. I'm already planning and thinking about my next South Island trip, which will be next season. So yeah, I'll definitely be back down there next season to do a bit more looking around, exploring, finding some new water, fishing with some more cool people, and just generally having a good time. As from next week, we're going to be back up in the North Island doing North Island stuff. We're pretty much into the winter fishing now. The local spawning runs around Taupo are starting to get going. There's a lot of rain happening over the last couple of days, so it's going to get things cranking even more. So the local fishing is starting to get pretty good, and I'm actually looking forward to doing something different. I'll get the single spay out, get the double hander out, and just, you know, nymph up a few fish and just get into that winter fishing. If anybody wants to get out on the local rivers and fancies a day guiding with me, hit me up. My details are in the description below. Be happy to take it out. That's about it. I hope you enjoyed this one, guys. It was a great day. Give me a thumbs up, drop me a comment in the comment section below, and all that good stuff. Have a great week, everyone. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.